This is a short video of how I repaired the flapper in a Toto toilet. I kept replacing these flappers more often than what I thought I should. They just seemed to wear out. They weren't cracked or broken. And what would happen is they would lose their pliability, the elastic around the outside edges, and wouldn't seal. Now the reason it happened is because my flapper, you can see that chain, pulls that flapper sideways. It doesn't go straight up and down. I go like this, and you can see how it's on sideways. So the solution is you go behind the handle, and you release this nut, and you simply flip that thing over so it's on the other side. Push it back in, and then replace the nut, of course. Now the flapper will be right over the top. And one of the problems on this one was it was hitting that refill tube. So I just took a grinder and I ground off the end of it so it didn't obstruct. It does hit the refill, but it doesn't really matter. But it solved all the problems of the flapper not sealing properly. I think the old flappers probably would have lasted a lot longer if I'd had this chain and the handle rod fixed up right so it was right over the top of the flapper. So before you go out and buy a new flapper, if you can't see damage in it, try looking at this and making sure your chain is direct over the top of the rod, of the flapper itself. Good luck. Please like and subscribe.